Keep taking stuff apart.
What's up, YouTube? So I'm here with the dude Cheyenne.
What's going on?
We got the 2020 Tiguan, right? Brand new. Picked this thing up for the wife, and I want it to be faster for me. So what we're gonna be doing today, hold on, get these blow-off valve parts in. That's for another video. We're doing the Neuspeed power module. Made in the United States. Basically what this does is it adds horsepower and torque without throwing a T1 code, which voids your warranty. So we'll be in warranty and faster. Only potential downfall to this is that you have to run premium. Now I run premium in my cars anyway because I'm a snobby jerk. So we're gonna go ahead and do this install and show you how to do it. Nobody has this online, so I think this would be nice. We're going to start by taking off this engine cover and just attaching a couple things real quick. We'll get a snapshot of that in a second. We're back! Alright, so engine cover's gone. I just want to give the update because it looks like we actually kind of just accidentally did a lot of it. But I want to let you know what I did. So this is what your engine looks like without an engine cover on it. It's very confusing if you're not know what's going on. But so the first step, this piece right here, you actually disconnect, okay? And then when you take your cable that runs all the way back, we put the little Neuspeed power module. I didn't attach it yet, but it Velcros right to your engine computer. So I just stuck it there. It kind of sits there by itself before you stick it. Don't drive the car until you stuck the thing on it. But as you come back around, you can follow this cable. And again, so this piece right here with the 4 cables going in was connected to this bottom piece. Now we have this bridge between them so that, you know, it's being overridden by the Neuspeed power module, okay? Make sure you put your clips in, that way it holds it together. You won't have parts flying off and your tune getting messed up and blowing out your turbo. So next is we have this piece here. This is the tricky piece and this is why it's on a lift. We actually have to put this down all the way underneath, like way down there. Our cable management skills will get put to the test. We have to take the splash pan off from the bottom and attach this to the turbo sensor. So we are going to get a totally different view and we will get that done. This is the big part that's been missing off YouTube and why I want to make the video in the first place. So we will get to that next. Alright, so we're coming under, and this is one of the big things that we gotta show. This right here is the culprit. We gotta take this thing, right here. We gotta take that thing out, or not out, but we gotta unplug it, and then run that cable all the way down. Cable manage it so it doesn't hit the fans of doom, and then we're good. The problem that I'm currently seeing is I put that cable in, which, let's see if I can get the light. There we go. I put that cable in, but it's stuck somewhere right up there. You can see it. There we go. Right on it. Right center. Right there. So I gotta get that thing and pull it down. This is not going to be pretty, so I will film it once it's pulled down. It's time to clip the clips.
This is what we're going to do right here. So the shorter one will plug into this right here. Hear the click. And then this longer one will clip into the factory one. A little struggle, but there.
Clip.
And then clip, all set. Ready for more horsepower.
There it is.
Into the rivets here.
That was so satisfying.
The screws are T25s. Put the hold on the other side. get 2 to hold it in, go for the rest. 4 on this side, the passenger side, and 3 on the driver's side. And the last one is located in the center towards the front bumper cover. Then you're good to go.